Joey, ballet requires at least 30 minutes of practice regularly. That's the only way you can be a great ballet dancer.
I know, Mom. I'm practicing as hard as I can. How was that?
Focus on your posture. It's the most basic element of ballet.
How am I doing?
Speed is the key to performing a quick turn. Think of yourself as a tornado spinning round and round.
I can't wait to try out this new smart home system. Let's install it, shall we?
Oh, this is hard. What?
That's my boy. Okay, that's enough. Stop spinning, Joey.
Can't stop. Mom, help me.
What's happening?
Thank you for purchasing Woody's smart all-in-one home system. Now sit back, relax, and let me take care of your home for you.
What's going on?
I don't know. What? What's gonna happen now? Mom, what's going on? Mom, I'm scared.
Wait. There's nothing to be afraid of. This is just a new smart home system I bought.
I smell waffles.
Security has been compromised. Please enter password. Incorrect password. Please try again. Incorrect password. Please try again.
It's the wrong password. Do you know what you're doing? Everything's all right.
Incorrect password. You are now guilty of trespassing and will be detained without prejudice. Company.
This is too scary. I'm Joey, wait!
Reminder alert. It is now time to feed Daniel.
No! Save me, Arpo!
Leave me alone. I'm being swallowed by a vacuum cleaner. Somebody help! Oh, Joey, please get me out of this vacuum cleaner. I'm getting really hungry in here.
Commencing analysis. Point of weakness detected. Oh, I'm so dizzy. It's that crazy vacuum
Somebody help me! Mom, Dad, it's hurting me! Help!
Freeze, punk, or I'll shoot.
Arpo, help!
You'd better talk or I'll break you apart like I did the vacuum cleaner.
You can't make me talk. You can't make me talk! Okay, I give up. He's in the laundry room. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Honey, we're coming to save you.
Arpo, I can't take this anymore.
Let him go.
Dad!
I don't understand. I keyed in the right password.
You're safe now.
Manual is upside down. Please turn it right side up and try again.
We've been reading it upside down all this time.
Company, attack!
Arpo, wait up! Don't go!
Speed is the key to performing a quick turn. Think of yourself as a tornado spinning round and round.
Home system deactivated.